Tem takasian pen EFV shapang kini kikam ki badang laj bat ki ba fidang la ban apply ka baningkong kade kini hapo National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development te kilat kumbashi spa pra tli te ka post kade post of office attendance qualification kade class 10 te kasnem kade na dukat pra do live pau bat ka jingsiu kolong live pesan hajar te kelas di ban apply kini kade arpoi tarik but filap ban apply link ba kani ka website te ka baar kade kani ka post pion but cleaner kani kade hapo jong ka office of officer on special duty Meghalaya house Guwahati te kalat khasi jantia kawai te filap ban apply link ba kani ka website hani klap ban ba kelas dit kade khat pratrek te kani kawai kade jong post of assistant conservator of forest under forest and environment department government of Meghalaya te kini di qualification te you are kawai khasi janti artli bat garu artli te kani baar kade jong post of assistant curator of the district museum Tura kani de betang ki garo bat kini di qualification master degree of history and musicology from the recognized university kabalai kade jong diary officer under directorate of diary development te you are kawai khasi janti artli garu artli qualification kide kini bachelor of technology diary technology from any recognized university te ka basau kade kini junior informatic officer in the directorate of information technology and communication department kani de you tang jong you are kawai te kini di qualification te sampai event tu te kabasan kade post of scientific officer in the mobile forensic crime scene under the directorate of forensic science te kani du kade tang jong UR te kini di qualification jong MSc in forensic science te hani ki preference kade namanta ki tu blayo certificate in crime science investigation or certificate in fingerprint science or certificate in laboratory management quality management system the boundary kade post of counseling in the district prison and correctional home you are kade kawai khasi janti artli but garu artli tikini di qualification filaan pe yentu te kabanyau kade post of senior scientific assistant in the mobile forensic crime scene unit under the directorate of the forensic science te ni you are de artli khasi jantia de henrio garu de san qualification ki MSc in forensic science with any specialization preference kende ki paladon certificate in crime science investigation or certification in fingerprint science or certification in laboratory management or quality management system kani kawai kade application are invited for the post of assistant teacher at Saumere Presbyterian Lower Primary School hapo upper Shillong Miliam block qualification ki pan class 12 ki pass ki banyo 45% namanta SC but ST ki adap kani DLED then 4 years BEE 2 years diploma in education te bat ki bala yo certificate jong ni MTET LP but ka age kade 35 plus 5 years namanta ki SC ST but 35 years plus 3 years namanta ki OBC salaries kade under deposit system but kelas dit kade khat sautrik por kade shko do lai baje tu ni de contact number te kani kawai kade namanta ka post pion ha kani kawai ka school hammen ken Christian Secondary School Wairambong qualification ki pan class 8 te but the age limit kade as per government norms rules the salary kade under deposit system te ki ba kwa ban apply kani te ki de ban apply me apply to di kila ban lecture school ban apply kani te kelas dit kade kat tu but kandan ru ka written test by interview ni di contact number te kani kawai kade namta ka post of assistant teacher at Nong Sao Yeng Lower Primary School qualification kade class 12 45% SC ST but DLN 4 years BEE 2 years diploma in education LP the age date 35 plus 5 years SC ST 35 plus 3 years yaki OBC salaries kade under deposit system terlazit de ganish tarik Oktober contact number itu kani kapus kade jong medical officer qualification kade MBBS bagi bela register with any state medical council te gajing siu kade katni te jong kapus jong medical officer karan skawai atli kalaj te kani ro kade kumchu hi te bat gajing siu kade katni 20,000 terlazit de khat sang tarik but kapor kadena do khat wasting hado khat ar the room number de 20 apor report district kani kade kapos pa continue ka to ka adap te kade kapos ka pra post of sub divisional public relation office media extension officer assistant public relation officer under the directorate of information and public relation there you are atli Khasi Janti Atli Garu Atli. Their qualification, they degree in mass communication and video production, media technology from any recognized institution. The Bakhandai the post of piano instructor at State Institute of Arts and Culture. Kadinam ta Khasi Jantia. The qualification, they need degree from any recognized university with grade 4 in theory of music and grade 8 in practical. There kani bashpo the post of guitar instructor at State Institute of Art and Culture tang naman tagi Garo the qualification kadai degree from any recognized university with grade 4 in theory of music and grade 8 in practical guitar the post kabakatwe kadai post of junior divisional accountant GDA under the administrative control of the Directorate of Accounts and Treasury Government of Meghalaya the kani post kadan ponha UR tipra kasijanti RPR garu RPW OST pada SC athlete kini essential qualification kini kalau graduate kini ro ki subject de kabakat R de post of scientific assistant in the mobile forensic crime scene unit under the Directorate of the Forensic Science UR atli kasijanti Andrew garu san the qualification kandai PSc in forensic science with any specialization preference kandai kepada certificate in crime science investigation or certificate in fingerprints science or certificate in laboratory management quality management system the ka age kandai khatpra hadu life R the bagi SC ST can extend to 5 years the 35 plus 5 years Take ba kuat apply kila ban check kani ke website de kelas di dekat tarik Oktober kani ke post kadena menta LDA Khasi Jantia kawai but post of room barrier come messenger reserve Khasi Jantia kawai garu kawai teban apply fill up an link ba kani ke link kelas di ke dekat tarik kani ke post kadai jong the state rural employment society district implementing division but kani kadai hapo ribai district nong po take post kidai post of district IT manager there is qualification day MCA BA BTech experience kadai sausnam take up age kadai lai pinyo but ka jingsiu kadai 8% hajar take bakwa ban apply kila ban pha kini ki bio data but educational qualification experience certificate passport size photograph and address of communication online to the office of the undersigned temut kha pha sha kani office te class de kadai khatnyau tarik kani ka post kadai the railway recruitment board ministry of railway government of India te ka post paningkong kadai post of technician grade 4 kita jibun teli hado kat lai hajar aspa riu teli tega salary kadai kat kendai hajar kendai spa tega age kadai na do kat pra hado lai puar tega badan interest kila banet cekan di website kila tho anni ba kelas dit kadai kat riu tarik Oktober tega kani ka post kadai jong railway recruitment board ministry of railway government of India tega kani ka post kadan jibun ha te sapet Baningkong kadai namanta post of chief commercial cum ticket supervisor kadan hadu syaja nyos pak lai pendro teli te gede namanta tiki pala pas degree tulap kadai kat ni lai pesan aja saus pak apa ade post of station master te kadan hadu kendai spa kendai pesau teli pala pas degree but tulap de lai pesan aja saus pak kabalai kadai post of good train manager te kadan do lai hajar cheese pak sau pesau teli qualification day pala pas degree salary day ar kendai hajar ar spa Te abasau the post of junior account assistant cum typist. Te kadang hado syajar sanspa nyautli but qualification kedai ki palapas degree but ki ba nang typist kumjuru ki banang ban type in English and Hindi. Kani ka post kedai balat hapok Meghalaya Basin Management Agency. Te ki ba kwa ban apply kani ka post ki kelas di khasan tarik but ki pala ban apply lingba kani ka website. Te ki post kedai kami harum assistant manager documentation, assistant manager pre-incubation program associate academics. Te kini kedai ki qualification te saya petfin tu. Te kini kedai ki key responsibility. Te kani kadang tangkawai kedai Shillong ketulap kedai lai puai hajar arts pa. Te kani ka baar qualification kedai ketu. Te kani ka tangkawai apa Shillong ketulap kedai lai puai hajar arts pa. Te kani kawai kedai namanta program associate academic. Te kani di qualification. Te kani kedai design experience. Te kalai kawai hatura but ketulap kedai ar hajar shispa. Kani ka post kedai post of accountants. The qualification they become BBA. Ki kan prefer gitu ki beradab MCom but MBA. Te kidai benda knowledge through ka computer application but tali experience kandai 2 years experience in account. Te kani kadai ka age as per government. Te kani kadai ka pay arpau hajar shi banai ki badan interest. Te kidai bana ban apply kani submit the completed application syakani ka office. Te kelas di kandai kandai tarik. Te fiap submit ruling ba ka standard form. Kani kadai jong SSC. Te ki post ki balat ki dan haduk live kandai hajar saus pak prapuai. Ki shinrang kadai live pesan hajar ndrus pak kat ar. Ki kentai kadai live hajar pras pak ndrup kandai. Kadai post of constable general duty qualification di perapas kasten but ki age kadai kat kra haduk ar pulai. Te ka namenta ki ST mod kandai 5 years namenta kini ki OPC but ex service kandai plus 3 years salary kandai atpuai ajar nyos pa adu ndru kandai ajar shispa. Te ki bathok kini ki exam kila ban ngat kawai ni kini da kila pas exam mod kila banyak try kawai ni kini. Kani de border security force kani kawai de central industrial security force. Te kat ni kidan te kat balai de central reserve police force. Kabesar kat di Sima Sastra Bal kat Nitali, kabasan di Indut Tibetan Border Police, Assam Rifle kat Tutali, te kabanyau kedai narkotik Central Bureau kat Tutali, SSF kat Tutali. Te kafis kendai shis parika namenta UR General but OPC MOBC. Kafis namenta SC ST women but ex service kadai free. Te kipa apply kila malai kani website SSC recruitment portal website laltit kendai kat South Tarik.